Hi, welcome back. I think tonight we'll probably mess with the floor pan on the passenger side. Kind of see where I need to cut for the new one. Got to wait until the weld-through primer comes in to weld the kick panel back on. But I think we can go ahead and see what needs to be done with the floors, since both of them have to be replaced anyways. And I figure as soon as we start cutting back, I'll probably realize I need another part. So let's go over there and check it out. This area is what I think I'll be working on tonight. Kind of seeing how far I need to go up. If I need to go up all the way, or if I can cut it through here or not. The plan is to sand back this and all the way up here, just to see where all the rust is. I figure I'm probably gonna have to buy this part maybe. And I know I'm gonna have to buy something back here. Just don't know which, because I think this piece comes with this whole section here, which would have been probably cheaper to buy that whole section already welded together, and I could just put it in there like Mustang Rehab did. Now it's Jason and Joni Builds. But anyways, we'll get to looking at this and all along here, see what we got. All right, let's see what the new pan kind of fits in there and see what it looks like. What I'm running into is, I don't know why there's such a big gap right here. I don't know if I need to cut this and kind of cut that and push that out, because this, of course, will go in just a hair, but I mean, it sets pretty good right along there. Kind of don't know really if this is just not, because it touches pretty, touches all right. Well, it doesn't touch, but I mean, it's pretty close right there. Then it just gets wider as you go up. But if any of y'all have any ideas or suggestions, let me know if I need to split this and that and kind of push it out. Another thing is do I put the lips under the old and like this underneath this? I just don't know how that would look on the firewall side. Not too great. I mean, I guess I could cut it all the way up here and weld it in, but that doesn't seem like it gives you enough metal to weld to. Anyways, let me know what you think. I think I have a plan. Sorry about that shadow. But I believe if I can cut it right through here, straight across, be my best bet. Because the rust really isn't that bad over here. Not like down in here. So I think just below this spot weld, spot weld right here, if we cut a straight line, that'll probably be my best bet going up this way. Because this is a, I think it's a fender tub bracket. If you can see it back there, not too good, but right there, it connects that firewall to the fender. You can see it better right there. I don't want to mess those up and drill blindly into my new panel just to find where to spot weld it to. And I think we can just kind of do that rust preventative or encapsulator on this stuff up here, and then just right below this, cut straight across, and then I'll get all this is bubbled up. But I do think that it seems that this floor pan is part of this. So that means I'm probably gonna tuck it under. I think maybe, I don't know. Let me know if I should tuck it under. It seems like about the best way to do it for my limited knowledge. I think what we need to work on is getting this inner rocker off so we can get access to the floor better, and because the floor needs to go in first, and then the inner rocker goes on. Of course, the outer rocker goes on after that. I don't think that's the next step, is to get that off. I do have some spot welds through here that I need to take care of. These already kind of popped up, but we take those off and this should peel this way. I may only take it back to here. We'll just see how far we get. Well, I think we made some progress tonight. Kind of see I need to do a little work on these, straighten them back out and get some of that inner rocker off and clean these up quite a bit. Make sure they're still good. But I think we'll keep on going on this. And I'm just concerned that this may not be any good. Need to really get a sandblaster and blast it. But anyways, I'm pretty happy at the progress so far. Just didn't know why that one has a lip. Unless I cut the lip off with the inner. I don't think I did. I don't know if that'll make it bump out more or what. But anyways, yeah, we'll keep on going and probably take this whole thing out, and I'll probably have to order this piece back here, maybe that whole piece across there too. Probably probably just have to replace almost everything in here. I figure once we get the floor in, that kick panel can go on, and then we can start putting the inner rockers and then outer rockers. And the door pillar goes right here. Make sure that's the right width we need for the doors, and then we can start buttoning it up. Waiting on this piece to come in. Figure I'm gonna cut it and patch that hole right there. Keep the rest of it because that's still pretty good. Then I'm gonna use a strip from the new panel and fill in this top side here with it. And maybe cut the new panel up to make patch pieces and whatnot, because I know I'm gonna have to try to make something to fix this piece right here, because if I had a screwdriver I'd probably stick it through it. But anyways, I'm anxious to get this off and see what the brace looks like. And that's the frame right there. See what that looks like. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. Anyways, thanks for watching. I think that'll do it for me tonight. That's more work on the passenger side. But thank you to all my new subscribers. It really means a lot that you chose to hang out with me for a little bit, and to all the people that's been there since the beginning, thank you for staying with me. One day we'll get this back on the road and drive around a little bit. But I'm wanting to get this side kind of buttoned up, I think before October, just in case I do try to take it to a car show. I don't want, to be on trailer and it just be jiggling all around. But anyways, yeah, I just want to say thank you again. If you like what you see and you want to keep on going with this, I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And it's usually something on the Bronco. Right now we're doing a lot of just rust repair and panel replacement, which I have no idea how to do myself. I'm just kind of winging it. But I would like you guys' comments and suggestions. It really does help a lot. And I guess I'll see you on the next.